Hi guys, and welcome back. How we all doing? So this is going to be a little bit of a different one, just a bit of a channel update, life update, just to let you know guys know what's going on. So now, first and foremost, the biggest thing you might have noticed, I've cut all my hair off. I haven't been this short since I was about 20, I don't think, when I was back as a skinhead. I don't have a lot of hair anyway, as most of you guys know that watch the videos, but yeah, anyway, why have I done that? So I am having my cyst removed off the side of my head. That's been there about 6 years now. You guys have probably seen it. The guys of you that regularly watch my videos would have seen it in my videos. Been there a long time. It's time for it to come out because it started getting bigger. It got a bit painful. I had to go on some antibiotics to take the infection down that had been caused by it. So yeah, it's really time now that it comes out. Unfortunately, I'm having to go private. I'm having to pay for it. If you guys want to know, 350 quid to get the cyst removed. That's what I'm having to pay for that. But I went down the NHS route and I've been on the waiting list for about a year now. And I went back to the doctors and they're looking another year and I'm sick of it, so it's got to go. But yeah, so that's that. So I will show a clip at the end of the video, but don't worry, I'm going to give notice. I won't just spring it on anyone. So anyone who don't want to see the aftermath, it'll only be a scar with stitches, but I will forewarn for that. So don't worry if you're squeamish, you don't need to look at that. I will tell you when that's coming. But yeah, so in other news, how's the channel doing? The channel's doing fantastic. I'm really happy with how the channel's progressing. I was a little bit worried at the beginning of the year, I'm not going to lie, that the views were down, but I went and had a meet and greet and all that with a few other YouTubers you probably saw on the channel. So there was Keith Rag'n'Bone Brown, Peter Millard, Stuart from Proper DIY and Aidan from the Aidan Project. So we all had a little meet up and a catch up and how's your YouTube doing and all the rest of it. And yeah, basically across the board everyone's views were down, so that put my mind at rest. I was happy about that. But the last two videos that have gone up, so there was one a couple of days ago and then the one that was last week, so that was Racking Out the Van and Day of the Life of episode number 9. They've done fantastically. So in case you guys ain't aware, basically whenever you put a video out on YouTube, YouTube ranks them 1 to 10 out over your last 10 videos, excluding shorts. So basically, if it comes out at 10 out of 10, that means that it's the worst performing video out of your last 10, if that makes sense. Now that can change, obviously, because it's minute by minute. So it all depends on views and what you guys want to see and what you guys watch and that, and if I've done a good enough job packaging it. But yeah, so the last two videos have come straight out of the gate at 1 out of 10 and they've maintained that. So that's fantastic. That's been great. I'm so happy about that. So that's pulled the channel back up again, which I'm really happy about. And that's thanks to you guys, really. So yeah, I just want to say a massive thanks to you guys for watching these videos, interacting, commenting. Commenting's massive. Obviously hitting that like button and ultimately hitting that subscribe button as well is really helping the channel progress. I do eventually, like my long-term goal, if you like, is to get to the 100,000. I'd love to have that plaque hanging on my wall. That's going to be a while away. My short-term goal for now is to get to 30,000, and we're so close. We're at 28,500 now. So yet again, I know I ask for a favour in every video, but I'm going to ask for a favour again. If you're not subscribed and you do watch these videos, just hit that subscribe button for me. Or if you've got a friend who's into carpentry and workshop stuff, just send the video to them so they can watch it and all, because that'll massively help me out. This is me begging you guys, by the way. But yeah, ultimately I'd love to get the 30,000. We hit 25,000 on New Year's Day this year. So yeah, we've done 3,500 in 5 months. I think that's pretty good. That's really, really good. Well, I say that we're just shy of 28,500. We're at like 28,270 or something along them lines. I can't remember. That number's going up all the time. I am happy, but I'd like that little push. So if you can, hit that subscribe button for me, guys. But that's my bit of begging. Meet and greets. So I'm going to be at Maker Central on the 18th and 19th. Well, actually saying that only on the 18th, because the 19th I'm going to pop into the materials and finishes show, so you can catch me there as well. Yeah, so if you see me, just grab the back of my t-shirt or something and just say, "Oi, Lewis, what's your channel?" And just come and say hello, basically, because it's lovely to meet you guys and interact with you. I really enjoyed it last year. I'll be bringing stickers with me and giving out. I don't think I'm going to have time to make key rings this year, unfortunately. If I've got some left over, I'll bring them. So ask me if you want a key ring, but I don't know for definite if I'll have them. But yeah, so come and meet me, come and buy me a beer, I'll buy you a beer back, and we'll have a good laugh and a catch up and all the rest of it. What else? What else have we got? What else have we got to talk about? Don't think there's a massive amount. Oh no, sorry, Eden Lodge. So yeah, if you guys are new here and you don't know, me and the missus and the little one bought a house a year and a half ago, bungalow, and we've been slowly doing that up on the channel. I haven't shown a massive amount on there, just purely because I've been doing like the mundane stuff, gardening and stuff like that, do you know what I mean? Which, although some of you guys would like to see it, it really performs terribly on the channel, so making a video for that unfortunately isn't viable. But we are going to be into, I'm doing paneling in my bedroom, so I'm going to be doing a video with that, and there will be a secret incorporated into the paneling. So yeah, if you're not subscribed, get subscribed. Can you? I'm going a bit heavy on the begging for subscribers on this one, ain't I? But yeah, so we're going to be doing paneling in there. Then we're going to be doing an office fit out in a cupboard, believe it or not, just to give my missus a little office. She works 2 days a week from home on an office job, so she doesn't need a whole room dedicated to an office, but we've got a large cupboard that used to be a built-in wardrobe that we're going to turn into a little office, so that'll be quite a cool little video in there. And then the big one for this year is we're going to be doing a kitchen diner, kitchen renovation, so massive project there, so that'll probably be a few videos. And I am going to be, which is planning to happen this year, but it might be next year, building an oak porch on the front of my house. Say a porch canopy, you know what I mean, on the front of the house. So yeah, that's going to be happening. Yeah, so we've got loads and loads of content to come from the house, as well as day in the life ofs and bits and pieces like that. So yeah, loads and loads of comments, loads and loads of content to come. We'll be doing all of that. But yeah, that's about it really, guys. That's all that I just wanted to let you guys have a little update on, just touch base with you guys, let you know where we're at, and touch in. But I am going to show my head in like 30 seconds, so just be prepared. But before I do that, I'm just going to say goodbye. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Turn off now if you don't want to see cyst. Okay, guys, first of all, I apologise about the lighting. The weather's taken a turn for the worse. Well, you all know I'm going to post this video today, so this is actually the morning of when this has been posted, so you'll know what the weather's like. But anyway, I digress. So it's the day after I've had the surgery done, as you can see on my head there. I'll post up a picture of it now. It's all come out, all good, so just got to look after it now, keep it covered and all that. I've been keeping like a big dressing on it, like a breathable dressing on top of it, just so obviously it can breathe. But yeah, just to keep it clean really. I'm off work today, going back to work tomorrow. So yeah, just help me keep it clean. But anyway, guys, I'm going to leave that one there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And I'll see you at Makers Central or the Materials and Finishes this weekend. Cheers.